What? They did it again? You must be part of an IT department that is continually being pulled in too many directions, is unable to share simple, repeatable IT tasks, and has IT tasks taking way too long to perform. Rather than using homegrown solutions and email requests to perform this work manually, would this help? PowerShare becomes your IT control panel, as it assembles apps, links, folders, and security features for IT personnel, enabling them to create, manage, and delegate their IT tasks to others via scripts. Because you now have PowerShare's button and wiring for building micro applications and micro administration, routine tasks can now be delegated and performed by others not in the IT department. IT administrators' time will now be freed up, so they can complete strategic projects that save money and create value. With PowerShare, IT administrators hold all the keys without having to turn each one individually. The keys can now be turned by anyone with access. Let GroupLink show you how PowerShare can be the keys to your success.